Welcome to Tbsp Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 types of kimchi. So even though this is a Japanese recipe channel, I've already made many Korean food, especially regular Chinese cabbage kimchi. Because Korean food is quite incorporated in many Japanese households, not only this Napa cabbage kimchi, but also different kind of kimchi is quite popular in Japan. The 2 main other kimchis are cucumber kimchi and daikon radish kimchi. The cucumber kimchi is called oi kimchi and daikon radish kimchi is called kakuteki. These 2 are quite very popular in Japan. Many barbecue stores would have these. I also quite recently learned this other spring onion kimchi, and it's also quite very delicious, very easy to make. And this is just a really good side dish for any Japanese food or Korean food. And when I make them, I make a big batch and put it in the fridge. And so whenever I need a little more side dish, then I put it on the side. They're not that complicated and not big hassle, so I really do hope you give this a try yourself. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for 3 types of kimchi. So the main ingredients are daikon radish, scallion or green onion, and cucumbers. I like to use these small cucumbers, but of course you can make this with big cucumbers. Then for the sauce we'll be also using carrots, ginger and the garlic, an apple, and I also have Korean chili peppers. It'll definitely taste much better with these Korean chili peppers because it has a little bit of sweetness to it that is suitable for the Korean food, but if you don't have it, you can just use regular chili peppers. Then also gochujang. This is a Korean chili paste. If you don't have it, you can also substitute this with miso paste and sugar and chili pepper. But if you want to make a really authentic Korean food, you definitely want to get these gochujang. Then of course salt. This is optional, but I have here fish sauce. Don't worry, even if you put this, it won't really smell like fish. This will just kind of give depth to the flavor. But if you don't like the aroma, or if you're vegetarian vegan, you can of course also skip this as well. Then let's get into it. So as the first thing, let's cut up the vegetables. So for the daikon radish, I'm gonna use just about half of this. I don't really need to peel off the skin, but on the both sides they have a little bit of roots, so I'm going to take that off. Then at the end I want to have in blocks, so I'm gonna, with about 1/2 centimeter or so, just like that. Then I'm going to cut this up like this, and then also in the other direction. Then I have these blocks. So just like that. Then next I'm gonna cut up the cucumbers. So I'm gonna cut the top and bottom off. And first I'm gonna cut in half, and then cut each in 4ths, like this. Just like that. So just like that. And the carrot and also another part of the daikon radish, I'm gonna cut them into thin strips. Top and bottom off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them into diagonal strips. And then these I'm going to line it up like this. And then I'm going to keep cutting like this. Then you have these thin strips of about equal length. So just like that. Then I'm going to do a similar thing with the daikon radish. This I'm just going to slice in thin slices like this, and then lay flat like this, and also cut them up. So just like that. So then with that, the 3 vegetables are cut up. Let's put some salt in it. And for that, I'm going to measure the amount of vegetables so that you want to get just the exact amount of salt, which is about 2% of the weight. So this is about 280 grams of daikon radish, and for that I need about 5 to 6 grams of salt. So just about that much. I'm gonna put in the salt and then mix it up. And also the cucumber, just about the same amount. Okay, put in here. So just like that. Then 2% is just about 4 grams. I'm gonna leave it like this for about an hour or so and let the water come out. So as we're waiting for the vegetable to cure, let's prepare the rest of the vegetable for the sauce. I'm gonna start with the garlic. Then we're gonna grate the garlic. And the ginger as well. Cut off the dry parts, then peel off the skin. Then grate this as well. So just like that. Then the apple as well. I think I'm just gonna need probably 1/4 of this. The apple will give a little bit of sweetness to it and also a little bit depth to the flavor. So just like that. Then also the scallion. I'm gonna cut them up in thin slices. So just like that. Then these two are finished preparing. So as the last ingredients to cut up, let's cut up the scallion or green onion. So I'm gonna cut off the top and bottom off. Then this bottom part I'm gonna slice in half like this, so the flavor gets soaked easily. Then I'm gonna cut it up to about 5 to 6 centimeter pieces. So just like that. So as the next thing, let's make the chili mixture. So to these great ingredients, I'm gonna first put in the salt, just about 1/2 teaspoon. Then here about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Like I say, if you don't want to put it in, you can skip this as well. Then according to how much you like, 2 to 3 tablespoons of gochujang. Then here also 3 tablespoons of Korean red chili pepper. Then I'm gonna mix this up. So with that, the chili mixture is finished. So just about an hour has passed. This vegetable has gotten some water out. Let's squeeze out these water. Look how much water came out. I'm always really surprised how much water they contain. Try to squeeze out as much as water as possible. Then also from the cucumber. And this cut up vegetable as well. So that's all the water came out. Then these are ready to be mixed with the kimchi sauce. So for the kakuteki or the daikon radish kimchi, and the scallion as well. Then here, just about 1/3 of the chili mixture. Then mix this up. So then just like that, I'm gonna put it in a container like this. Then this is finished. So next with the cucumber kimchi or oi kimchi. And here I'm gonna put in 1/2 of this cut up carrot and daikon radish. And then the rest of the scallion. And also about 1/2 of the rest of the chili sauce. And mix it up. So once it's mixed, this is finished. Also put it in a container. So then this is finished. So that's the very last thing with the scallion kimchi. And then cut up carrots and the daikon radish and the kimchi mixture. Because in the scallion I didn't put any salt, I'm gonna add in just 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Then mix this up. So as it's gotten mixed thoroughly like this, also put it in a container. So then this is also finished for that. So with that, all 3 types of kimchi is finished. Then I put it in a lid and store it in the fridge and let it marinate for at least a day. And this is safe to eat for a week or so in the fridge. So just about a day has passed. See how they look. Oh yeah, this looks really good. This looks also very good. Yeah, they look ready. Let's put it on a plate. So the 3 types of kimchi are finished. Let's eat. Oh, I love the smell of kimchi. Then let's eat. Itadakimasu. Okay, let's start with the daikon kimchi or kakuteki. Itadakimasu. So daikon has this a little bit subtle sweetness to it. Even with this chili flavor, you can still taste this sweetness, and the Korean chili peppers goes so well with the flavor of the daikon radish. And also goes so well with the rice. So the cucumber kimchi or oi kimchi, itadakimasu. So the cucumber has this kind of this freshness to it that just goes so well with the chili sauce. It's also so delicious. So the spring onion kimchi, itadakimasu. So the scallion has this kind of tanginess, a little bit bitterness, and that goes so well also with the chili sauce and also with the rice. So perfect.
And also, if you want to, you can mix all the 3 kimchi together. いただきます。Such a complex flavor. Oh, that is so totally savory. ごちそうさまでした。Oh, they're all so delicious. So as you saw, making these 3 types of kimchi is really not difficult at all. As long as you have these gochujang. Just make sure you're not having a date on that day or the next day, because this will give you a really strong smell in your mouth. But these dishes are really delicious. Goes so well with any dish, any Japanese or Korean dish, and you can make them quite easily, strictly vegan. So I really do hope you give this a try yourself. If you did enjoy this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have any questions or requests or any feedbacks, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.